Hey everyone, it's Arnie from Fanboys Unite Vlogs, Reviews and More. And welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. I had my ICSE board exams. I'll be talking about that in the next video actually, so let's just keep all of that to the next video. Let's focus on the topic of this video, which is the Mi A2 unboxing. I'm buying this phone 6 months late, but it's still a must buy for me, and I really wanted to check out the phone, so that's why I got it. And so, without much further ado, let's start the unboxing process. Now, let me just say that it's on sale right now from the 25th to the 28th, so I definitely suggest everyone to buy it. I got it on an exchange offer for only 4,000 rupees, and the MRP is 17,000 rupees, so please check that out, check the offer out, because I'm telling you, get a quality phone. There it is, the beautiful box. I of course got the red variant because if there's a red option for a phone, I will always get it because I think red looks beautiful. Now we got the specs here. 20 megapixel front camera, 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel AI camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 with the artificial intelligence engine, and my favorite feature of the phone and the main reason why I bought it, Android One. That means I can get Android Pie stock immediately as I open the phone, and that's the main reason I bought it. I heard it's a bit low on battery, but I had to make that compromise over other phones because I want that stock Android. So let's just get to the opening. There are some seals here. We must remove it. Quite easily removed. Oops. Okay, so it's made in India. That's very nice. I love that Xiaomi makes all their phones for India in India. I feel that that's the right way to go, and they're using Prime Minister Modi's scheme correctly. Okay, this is a pretty tricky unboxing experience. I don't know who to blame for that. Is it Amazon's packaging? I mean, did that tamper? Because I have actually opted for 11 a.m. delivery. That basically means that guy had about 12 hours in total to deliver the package. But I don't see any problem as the warehouse is very close to my house. So I don't know why this is so tedious. Would not recommend this packaging. You know, it's very. And of course, as we open the box, we get another box. This is your standard box that you get with all Xiaomi phones nowadays. Documentation and the dongle, the Type-C to USB, the Type-C to headphone jack dongle, very important because the phone itself does not have a USB, it does not have a headphone jack, so you will have to use this. Next we have the SIM ejector tool as usual, and one of my favorite things about phones these days, you know, a transparent case for the phone right out of the box. Very elegant, you know, it doesn't mess with the aesthetic of the phone. And without much further ado, let's just get to the handset. It has been kept quite inside. I'm not enjoying this packaging very much. I think they could have done a better job. I'm not able to remove the phone. Look, you can see the phone. I don't know what's up with this packaging, you know. It's just been a tedious unboxing experience. I hope the phone is worth it though. Review coming out on Sunday, of course, for that. Let me try and figure out how to open this and try to show you guys too, because if you guys are buying this phone because I told you to, or this is an important suggestion. Okay, so you have to push it to one side and then you can get the handset out. Look at that beautiful red color. You know, it's such a nice color, you know. The OnePlus red color is great, but it cannot match this. One disadvantage I say is that this is very protruding if you notice the camera piece. So I hope the cover can make up for that, but I'm not sure. That means basically you can't keep the phone down. Let me just remove all these stickers because I hate stickers on a phone, who doesn't? And yet again, these stickers are incredibly hard to remove, very tightly stuck. You know, not a great fan of this packaging, to be honest. I thought they could have made a better unboxing experience. You know, because an unboxing experience is what makes these videos, you know, worth it to watch. And okay, let's finish up the box. Even though it's a Type-C, they haven't given us a fast charger, so it's a slow, normal power adapter, which is quite disappointing to see considering all the latest phones are getting fast chargers. And when I open this up, there's just one more attraction to see, and that's the USB Type-C cable. Of course, this phone is the first Xiaomi phone actually to be released in India that has a USB Type-C connector. And I'm pretty impressed with the build quality. It's very light, and yet the screen seems quite large. Let me just boot it up for you guys just so you can see the resolution and such things. Wow, I don't know if you guys can take a good look, but you see the screen is very good. I am not a fan of the notch, so I'm really glad that they do not have a notch on this phone. The colors are very bright, and as you can see, the brightness is very bright. So I was very impressed with this phone. This unboxing experience wasn't great. I'll tell you what my thoughts are on the phone in a week. Thank you for watching, everyone. This has been a great time. Bye!